Snow screams wild across the night. Elsa's breath, a cloud in flight. Griffin's wings caught through the frost. A dance of fate where none are lost. Fangs of ice and shadows grin. What lies ahead, what pulls them in? Elsa and the Griffin in the blizzard's roar, chasing what was lost, finding something more. White winds howl, but they won't break. Two souls burning, no path too great. Eyes like fire, her heart won't fade. The Griffin's cry, a warrior's blade. Tracks erased by winter's bite, but they won't stop, they'll fight the night. Bones and ghosts whisper, turn back now. But Elsa laughs, we don't know how. The Griffin shrieks, a rebel's hymn. Together they rise, the world grows dim. Elsa and the Griffin in the blizzard's roar, chasing what was lost, finding something more. White winds howl, but they won't break. Two souls burning, no path too great. Elsa and the Griffin in the blizzard's roar, chasing what was lost, finding something more. White winds howl, but they won't break. Two souls burning, no path too great.